Hi everyone. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to use TyFlow to create this growth simulation on a kind of specified area of an object. So I'm going to just start by creating a new file. And so to do this tutorial, although you can create any shape, I'm just going to use a torus. So I'm going to create that from the object standard primitives. And I'm just going to rotate this around 90 degrees, just as a personal choice. And I'm just going to elevate that above the plane. So in this tutorial, because I want to also have a specified area of focus, I need to create a sphere. So I'm not going to create it to be bigger than the torus, because I want this to kind of just be localized in one area on the torus, which was that kind of growth area that I was showing before. So now I need to create a TyFlow. So I'm going to open that, and then I'm just going to open the editor. So to start, I just need to create a birth. So I'm going to drag this on here. And then I'm just going to set my start and end to 0, because this object is going to be static. And so from here, I now need to press tab, and I'm going to position object, and I'm going to select the torus as my object. And this has now all those dots, so I might increase the birth of these to be a bit more frequent. So I'll maybe make 1,000, so you can see this, the number of dots on the torus is increased. So I'm now going to create a surface test. So again, by pressing tab, I'll type surface and surface test. So this will be this area here. So I'm also going to change the test to be the volume inside. So this will create an instance where in this new event that I'll create, it will display these dots only in this surface. So back on this sphere, I can just go into the object properties, and I'm going to display it as a box so I can see what's happening on the inside. And if I turn off the event 1 display, you can see that those dots have disappeared except for within that sphere. So I'm now going to create a new shape in the second event, and I'll be making this a 3D shape, and I can choose any object or any sort of shape for this to be presented as. And for growth, I might do something like twigs or leaves. I might go these leaves. And to show those as leaves, I need to go back into the display here and change this to geometry. And this one too. So the scale of that is maybe too small. So I'll go into shape, and I'll change the scale to maybe 500%. So those are a bit larger. And then I can now create more of some rotation on this event. So I'll just type in rotation and I can change that, and I like that as random 3D. And so now I'm going to create in the second event a scale to show the growth. So the scale value I might set to 110, so that will change all of these, and that will be now relative multiply. So this will show kind of a growth, and in this timing category I need to set this to an event age, so after 10 frames the growth will stop, so there won't be infinite growth, and you can see that happens now here at 10 frames the growth stops. So that can change as well to I could change it to 20 and the growth would continue to 20, but that seems too much, so I will change it back to 10. And that's a growth simulation using TyFlow. Thanks for listening.